Welcome to this tutorial on how to enter the pass-through domestic production activities deduction. There are two methods for inputting DPAD information. One uses detailed entries, and the other is a simplified method where you can enter just the qualified production activity income and the W-2 wages. The applicable pass-through return types are S-corporation, partnership, and fiduciary returns. You can make the appropriate worksheet selection under the income category. Next, you will select Section 2, Activity, and then enter information in the applicable lines shown here. Note the difference for the detailed inputs and the simplified inputs. Under Income, select the applicable pass-through type. In this video, I'm selecting an S-corporation pass-through. Select the pass-through entity, or create one if needed. Then click OK. Scroll down in the menu tree and locate Section 2, Activity. Scroll down to the applicable lines for your pass-through return type. This will usually be under a heading titled Domestic Production Activities Information. Here you can see the split between the detailed information inputs and the simplified method inputs. For the simplified method, only the activities income and employer's W-2 wages lines are required. Here I have entered some sample information to produce the Form 8903. Let's now view it. You can see that the form has populated with data from our inputs. Now select the QPI schedule. Here we can also see that the QPAI schedule has populated. If you click inside of a field, you will notice the Expand button becomes active. This expanded form will show detailed breakdowns of the computed calculations. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.